Hello geometry students, this is Mr. Martin. We are in section 12.2. We're talking about applications of right triangle trigonometry, and in this video we're going to look at example B from your notes. So Georgia is flying a kite directly over her friend Marcy, who is 125 meters away. When she holds the kite string down to the ground, the string makes a 39-degree angle with the level ground. How long is the kite string? So let's start with a picture. So we've got the kite string, okay, and here's the ground, and she's holding it down to the ground. That's why it's all the way down. And then here's our kite up here, okay, and George is over here. She's holding the kite string down to the ground, and her friend Marcy is over here directly under the kite. And this is how high the kite is above Marcy. Okay, and we know the string makes a 39-degree angle with the level ground, so this is our angle of elevation. Remember, you always want to put your angle going with the side that's horizontal, so it's either horizontal going up or horizontal going down if it's depression. And we know Marcy is 125 meters away, so this is 125 meters. And then, how long is the kite string? So we have two different pieces of our triangle left, and we need to know which one to find. So the kite is being flown by Georgia over here, and it holds the string. So this is the kite string. That's what we want to find. Okay, so this is going to be our x. Then we can go ahead and mark our O, A, and H. So here's my right angle, so I know across from my right angle is going to be my H. And then next to my angle where I'm standing, that's going to be my A. And then this is going to be my O. So now I just need to figure out which trig function I'm going to use. I know I'm going to be using H because I have to find x, and I know I'm going to use A because they give us the 125, and we know we've got sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, and we've got A and H, so that's our cosine. So we're going to do cosine of 39 degrees. Okay, anytime you put sine, cosine, or tangent, make sure you put something that represents an angle. In this case, we put 39. If we're trying to find an angle, then we would put x in there. Okay, it's adjacent, so that's 125 over x. Okay, I'm going to make this side an angle first, or a fraction. And then let's go ahead and find the cosine of 39, and we always want to do 4 decimal places, so that's 0.7771 over 1 is equal to 125 over x. Now we're going to cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply up this way. Let's go over to here. So I have 0.7771 times x equals, and then I'm going to multiply up this way. That's just 125 times 1 is 125. I'm trying to solve for x, so I need to get rid of that 0.7771. So I'll divide both sides by that. These are going to cancel, and I'm left with x is equal to 160.9 meters. Okay, so the kite string is 160.9 meters. All right, so as usual, if you have any questions, make sure you get those answered, and we will see you in the next video.